Hey guys, so in this video I just kind of wanted to talk about, because with online business it's always like an ever-changing kind of situation, right? When things first started out and you look back at if you ever listen to Frank Kern, listen to him talk about his stories and whatnot, people that started with him in his kind of range, they'll talk about things like Google Slap, right? Where they were able to go and take advantage of certain, weaknesses in Google's algorithm. They were able to kind of capitalize that and then build businesses on that. But that's not a very stable business because Google can go and change things whenever they want, which they did, which people refer to as Google Slap. So all these people who are making a bunch of money online with this kind of, I don't want to say gaming the system. They just kind of took advantage of the situation the way that it was at the time. And it took advantage of it. But once Google came along and changed it with their Google Slap, then people go from all of a sudden making tens of thousands of dollars a month to making zero, all because sorry, I thought I saw something outside there. Because Google has decided to change things, and now like the next evolution of that is that you see people who've all the time inside the Facebook groups. You'll see when it comes to internet marketing, online business, you'll see somebody talking about that they need help because Mark Zuckerberg has gone and shut down their Facebook account. And now they can't advertise anymore. So that's kind of like the problem with online business I see going forward for a long time is that you've got platforms that you're on that you don't own. And as quickly as possible, you want to transition people like your tribe to your own platform if you can, whether it's your own, podcast, if you can control that portion of it, or just even your own email list, because at least then you can send out emails and you control that type of thing, because you have to just kind of be a little bit pessimistic about it and think like, what would happen to my business, if you're doing paid ads or you're thinking about doing paid ads, if, everything was going really good and I was making a lot of money and then all of a sudden that just disappeared. Would I have people on an email list that I could email the next day and literally put money in my pocket and, take panic out of my heart because my business has been dramatically affected. So, one of the people during the Traffic Secrets, it was the Traffic Secrets bonus, was talking about that they had, even with their email list, making sure that you have a backup copy of that yourself, right? Like you might have your service through, he was talking about Aweber, but he was saying that he couldn't get his email contacts from them, some type of problem, I don't know, but to just routinely just download, make sure that you have a backup copy of your own email list in case you need to take that with you, to a new service provider if things don't work out. So yeah, that's definitely what I see as far as online business challenges in 2020 and kind of going forward is, taking people from where they're at on certain platforms to, bring them into and turning it into traffic that you own, as Russell puts it.